We don't know whether there are Martians on the moon.
I don't understand what the issue is here.
It's all about nothing.
So the story is wrong.
She doesn't see herself as above the line.
She wasn't aware that she was doing anything wrong.
And now she's putting forward her email, which is going above and beyond. You know?
And sent back 55,000 pages of emails.
The emails are turned over.
55,000 pages of emails.
She's turning them over, so that's what we'll see.
The ones she chose to turn over.
Colin Powell and Jeb Bush did the same thing.
Colin Powell used an email.
Why are we not talking about Jeb Bush?
Her predecessors followed the same practice.
Colin Powell had a personal email account.
Colin Powell used the same private email system.
Colin Powell, same thing. Jeb Bush, the same thing.
I am not deflecting.
Alex, address that question to Colin Powell.
Well, Secretary of State Powell did not control his own home server. We know that.
Excuse me, Governor Bush did.
The normal journalistic rules apply to everybody but Hillary Clinton.
You're ignoring very salient facts
But
here.
you're ignoring the
Colin
reality
Powell,
of the internet age and email.
There's a double standard in media coverage.
Because there's one set of rules for the Clintons, and there's one for everybody else.
James.
So when you make these distinctions, you're in argument now. You're not doing facts.
The ethics waiver that she had accepted, number one. Number two,
He's reporting speculative, not facts, what we don't know.
All of the out of breath, all of the coverage, all of the worried Democrats.
I mean, this is
But don't you agree that there's a problem
that, like, we're
No,
Not as you
excuse
well
me, it
know
was
as a
not
guest to
document.
discuss this.
Excuse me.
But don't you
Orwellian.
agree
We
that
can
there's
all
a
use these
problem
words.
Where do you think the email story came from?
There were Republican lawyers calling all over reporters all day yesterday.
It came from Republican staffers.
The New York Times got snookered by the Benghazi folks. And
That the press, you know, which took right-wing talking points to start a war,
a lot of sound and fury about nothing.
wrote a story about mobile weapons lab that they got from Dick Cheney, who cited the story
Whoa,
of
whoa,
Legion Press.
James,
that-
New York Times, you should take a look at your journalism.
I'd like to see everyone take a breath.
Let's take a breath, see what are in those emails.
I mean, why twist it? I mean, that's
I'm
not
not
the
twisting
premise.
Secretary Clinton, unfortunately, has a brain educated by a law degree.
It seems to me that Edward Snowden effectively hacked into government email up the kazoo.
How many times are we going to go through this?
Am I right? Am I right?
Maybe non-archival legal email thing needs to be addressed.
So you're saying the State Department's
going to see her server?
No, I'm saying that State Department is going to
What do you think about the idea of
Case closed. Case closed.
Gives people a reason to get out of breath about a lot of cockamamie, goofy stuff.